relationship between the president and his sister, how do you describe that? Is it still the same? Are they okay? May lamat ba?
As we can see from the statements of Senator Amy Marcos, it seems like there is. But on the part of the president, we cannot say that there's a rift between the relationship, in the relationship of the two siblings. So, hintayin na lang po natin kung meron man sasabihin ng Pangulo. But sa ugali po kasi ng Pangulo, hindi po siya masyadong, alam niyo po yun, hindi siya pikon. Kaya kahit anong banat, kahit nakita na niyo po si Senator Amy Marcos na nandoon sa Maisog Rally habang binabanggit ng dating Pangulong Duterte ang paninira sa kanya, kay PBBM, wala po tayong nadinig. Wala rin po tayong nadinig na anumang hinanakit kung meron man mula sa Pangulo para sa kanyang kapatid.